Decor Designs, your trusted source for creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you love to grill, entertain and generally live your best life outdoors, you know there's one enemy that always threatens to ruin the party: the weather. But what if I told you there's a game-changing solution that lets you enjoy your outdoor space 365 days a year? Today we're diving into the world of the covered outdoor kitchen. We'll talk about the why, the how, and then we'll show you our top 10 covered outdoor kitchen ideas based on some absolutely stunning designs we've seen. Get ready for some major backyard inspiration. So, what exactly are we talking about? A covered outdoor kitchen is a dedicated food preparation and dining area installed outside of your home, permanently sheltered by a roof or other fixed overhead structure. It's more than just a patio with a grill. It's a functional, weather-protected extension of your indoor living space. The key word here is covered. This means your grill, your counters, your seating, and crucially, you are shielded from the harsh sun, unexpected rain, or even light snow. These structures can be freestanding, like a custom pavilion or gazebo, or they can be attached extensions of your home's existing roofline. Essentially, it transforms a seasonal grilling spot into a comfortable all-weather culinary haven, becoming a secondary hub for gathering and entertaining without the worry of the elements. Now let's talk benefits because they are massive. First and foremost is protection and preservation. A cover significantly prolongs the life of your significant investment. Your stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and expensive grills are shielded from damaging UV rays, moisture, and extreme temperatures, drastically reducing wear and tear and maintenance costs. You won't have to constantly fuss with appliance covers. Secondly, a covered kitchen offers unbeatable year-round usability and comfort. Imagine being able to host a barbecue during a sudden spring shower or enjoying a cool, shaded workspace during the peak heat of summer. With the addition of simple features like a ceiling fan or even an outdoor heater, the space remains comfortable and functional, turning a fair weather amenity into a truly four-season gathering space for you and your guests. Finally, it offers incredible financial and aesthetic returns. A well-designed, permanent covered structure boosts your property's value, as buyers increasingly view it as a premium, functional extension of the home, often seeing an excellent return on investment. Once the structure is built, the fun begins. Decorating. The best way to decorate a covered outdoor kitchen is to treat it as an authentic extension of your indoor home, ensuring a seamless flow between the two spaces. Start by selecting materials that complement your home's existing architecture. If your home is modern, opt for sleek, neutral stones and stainless steel. If it's rustic, lean into natural wood and stacked stone. To make it truly look good, focus on layering key elements. Task lighting under the cabinets is essential for cooking, while ambient lighting like string lights or pendant fixtures creates a cozy mood. Incorporate color and texture with outdoor-rated accessories, such as weather-resistant throw pillows, a durable outdoor rug, and vibrant potted herbs or planters, which also smell fantastic while you cook. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a focal point. Whether it's a dramatic range hood, a stunning tile backsplash, or a built-in stone fireplace, a central design feature elevates the entire space from a simple cooking area to a luxurious outdoor room. The cover is the most critical element. Here are 5 essential ideas for sheltering your space. First, pergolas. An open slatted structure that provides partial shade and a beautiful architectural element. You can easily add a retractable fabric canopy for full rain protection. Second, solid roof pavilions or gazebos. Freestanding, 4-post structures with a fully solid roof, shingles, metal, etc. They offer maximum protection and are great for creating a defined, separate outdoor room. Third, attached roof extension. A permanent structure that ties directly into your home's roofline, offering the most seamless, integrated look. Fourth, louvered pergolas. Modern structures with adjustable slats that can be tilted for shade or closed completely for a watertight seal. They are the high-tech flexible choice. Fifth, retractable awnings or canopies. A flexible option often affixed to the side of the house, allowing you to easily extend the shade when needed and retract it to enjoy the stars or full sun. Alright, it's time for the main event. Using the principles we've discussed, we've curated the top 10 best covered outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire your next project. Let's get into it. 1. Grand Resort Style Pavilion Kitchen. Grand Resort Style Pavilion Kitchen. This expansive outdoor kitchen embodies luxury, housed within a magnificent stone pavilion with a high, exposed beam ceiling. It features a full dining area, comfortable lounge seating, and a comprehensive grilling station, all illuminated by ambient lighting and ceiling fans. The robust stone walls and sophisticated design create a truly resort-like ambience, perfect for large-scale entertaining and making a powerful architectural statement in any backyard. 2. Contemporary Freestanding Outdoor Kitchen. Contemporary Freestanding Outdoor Kitchen. This design showcases a sleek, modern outdoor kitchen set within an elegant freestanding structure, featuring warm wooden cabinetry contrasted with dark metal framing and shelving. Integrated appliances and a stylish bar seating area create a highly functional and aesthetic space. Its open-air sides allow for a refreshing breeze while the overhead structure provides essential shade and protection, making it ideal for a modern, minimalist landscape. 3. Traditional Wooden Gazebo Kitchen. Traditional Wooden Gazebo Kitchen. A classic and inviting outdoor kitchen, nestled under a charming wooden gazebo with a shingled roof. This design features built-in grills, a central island with bar seating and beautiful stone pillar accents. The warm wood tones and traditional structure blend seamlessly with a natural leafy environment, offering a cozy and well-protected space for cooking and gathering, especially appealing in a more classic garden setting. 4. Modern Gray L-Shaped Kitchen with Fireplace. Modern Gray L-Shaped Kitchen with Fireplace. This ultra-modern covered outdoor kitchen boasts a minimalist L-shaped layout in sophisticated dark gray cabinetry, complemented by a transparent glass roof section and a retractable canopy for flexible weather control. A striking built-in fireplace adds warmth and ambience, making it a functional and chic space. Integrated shelving for firewood and sleek appliances complete this contemporary design, perfect for year-round enjoyment. 5. Elegant Pergola with Built-in Grill Station. Elegant Pergola with Built-in Grill Station. This design features a refined outdoor kitchen under a contemporary pergola with a partially covered solid roof section for direct shelter over the cooking area and open slats for dappled light elsewhere. Clean white cabinetry and dark countertops house a robust grill, while the surrounding paved patio and manicured landscaping create an inviting and well-organized outdoor entertaining zone that balances sun and shade. 6. Bohemian Chic Covered Patio Kitchen. Bohemian Chic Covered Patio Kitchen. This vibrant outdoor kitchen is part of a stylish covered patio area with a warm wood-paneled ceiling, offering a fusion of modern amenities and bohemian flair. A built-in grill and sleek counter space sit alongside a comfortable lounge area and a large dining table. The striking geometric tile accent wall with a mounted TV adds a dramatic focal point, creating a lively and fashionable space for both cooking and relaxation. 7. Expansive Rustic Stone and Granite Kitchen. Expansive Rustic Stone and Granite Kitchen. A truly grand outdoor kitchen featuring extensive granite countertops and rustic stone-clad bases, all sheltered under a wide, gabled solid roof. This design offers multiple grilling stations, ample prep space, and a large dining area under a separate umbrella. The heavy-duty construction and natural materials make it a durable and timeless choice, perfect for large properties and frequent outdoor entertaining in a classic style. 8. Vaulted Ceiling Outdoor Kitchen with Wood Accents. Vaulted Ceiling Outdoor Kitchen with Wood Accents. This impressive outdoor kitchen features a stunning vaulted ceiling adorned with rich wooden paneling and integrated lighting and fans. The kitchen island and grill base are finished in attractive stacked stone, providing a blend of rustic charm and modern functionality. A large TV mounted on a wooden accent wall makes it an ideal spot for game day or movie nights, all within a well-sheltered and inviting space. 9. Sleek Modern Kitchen with Glass Roof. Sleek Modern Kitchen with Glass Roof. An epitome of modern outdoor living, this kitchen boasts a striking glass roof supported by black metal beams, allowing abundant natural light while providing full weather protection. The kitchen itself is a vision of contemporary design with dark cabinetry, integrated lighting, and a luxurious marble island with modern bar stools. This design seamlessly connects the indoors with the outdoors, offering a bright and sophisticated culinary experience. 10. Rustic Pergola with Fireplace and Dining. Rustic Pergola with Fireplace and Dining. This charming and functional outdoor space features a classic wooden pergola providing partial shade over a fully equipped kitchen, complete with a grill and prep area. The centerpiece is a magnificent built-in outdoor fireplace, offering warmth and ambience. A rustic wooden dining table and bench seating complete the inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for cozy gatherings and al fresco meals with a touch of old-world charm. Whether your style is rustic charm or modern minimalism, the covered outdoor kitchen is more than just a home trend. It's a smart investment in your lifestyle and your property. It provides protection, comfort, and the freedom to cook and entertain regardless of what the forecast says. By choosing the right cover, integrating quality appliances, and applying thoughtful decor, you can transform your backyard into that coveted year-round living space you've always dreamed of. No more dashed plans, just perfect outdoor memories waiting to be made. Which of these top 10 covered outdoor kitchen ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're ready to take your backyard from basic to brilliant, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next big reveal. We've linked to some of our favorite outdoor kitchen resources and product guides in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy designing!